I think Waupaca Foundry is a very special chapter in my life and my family's life.
I started here as an intern, and it was so cool because it was my first foundry experience.
I started like a part-time, and then more people start coming needing help, so they start using me to translate.
Going from a Latin American culture type, moving into the US was some culture shock. But even though there is a language difference and some food and patterns that are different, I was able to find a lot of similarities.
When people start knowing about this place, they start coming more because here you have benefits, you have medical plan, you have good wages.
When I first came here, you come attracted by the job offering and the opportunity for growth. But I think one of the things that has kept me tied to the company is how do you feel? When you go every day to a place, you belong to a team.
This is the place I really feel very comfortable. The first thing is giving me the opportunity to be there for my kids because I'm a single mom.
Since I moved here, everybody has been super welcoming. I have learned a lot. The most rewarding aspect of my job is what we are doing, it's having an impact in society.
We just don't do castings or iron parts. We do so many things for the environment, for the community, for our people.
For me, making the decision of staying far from home was really the people that work here. I have made really good friendships that have been staying for me for a long time.
When you decide to change your life, that requires a lot of braveness from you, right? It doesn't matter what is your motivation. If you want to chase your dreams, you can go for it. Everything is going to work out.